Hello there, I am General Yahoo 747 and I am going to be showing you how to get all items in tutorial mode in Battlefield Heroes. So let's get straight into it. Go into Windows E, which opens up your Explorer. Go into your disk drive, go into Program Files, EA Games, Battlefield Heroes, Mods, Battlefield Heroes, Object, make sure it's Object. So you'll get this this group of zips. Go into this one, Item Server. Now, an important thing to do before you do anything, make a backup of this. So you just go copy, paste it into your documents. And so why we do this is because if you want to play tutorial mode after you've finished modifying, you're going to have to restore your item server or it won't let you play. So once you've done that, it's all good. Open it up. By the way, you'll need WinZip for this. Okay, so you get this thing and make sure you have default customization selected. Okay, now click extract to, extract it anywhere. I'm gonna just choose iMac. Yeah, I'll choose Bootcamp. Yes, tool. So go to the place you extracted it in. Do open with. Choose default program, and make sure Notepad is selected. So once you've done that, you'll get a text file with all of this kind of stuff. Now, basically how it works is you get this thing like National Army, and you have Royal Army. Pretty straightforward. And then you have Male Commando, Male Soldier, so you don't have to concentrate on the female characters, just concentrate on the male ones. Now you have this thing called equipment. This is where you're going to be putting any stuff you want to have in tutorial mode. Now, let's say you wanted to put in a super cheeser, for example. You could probably go ahead and look for the right thing. But what if you wanted to put in every single item? You could go from, you could type in 1, 2, etc. until you get up to 6,000, which is like the highest item number. Or you could do something a bit smarter. You could go generate list of numbers. I'll put in this website, which is what I always use. Put it in the description. So just do 1, 6,000, and that'll generate every single item up to 6,000, because each item has a different number. Now this is an important thing to do. Make sure this is unticked, and make sure here you put a semicolon. Very simple. Generate list of numbers. So here you'll get a massive list of numbers here. Okay, Ctrl A, copy it. Now, trick with this is it doesn't actually matter which one you put it in, if you put it in Royals or Nationals, because we're generating a massive list of every single item. Now some of the stuff in there is going to be Royal stuff. Now we can put it in, for example, National, and we could still use the Royal things. So just put in semicolon after the 2005 and Ctrl V, and you'll have this massive list. Now remember, it's all based on which one you want. So Male Commando in the National Army, so that'll be pretty straightforward, but you can put it in Royal or whatever you want. After you've done that, save the thing, the same place you put it in, save. Yes, override it. Oh yeah, we have to put it somewhere else. I'll put in my music, it doesn't really matter. Go back to your itemserver.zip, find the place you put the latest one, the latest default customization, which I put in my music, copy it, put it back in here. Okay, it'll replace it, and once you've done that, close all your stuff. So that's pretty much it. We've done it. Now to test it, I'm gonna play now. Also keep in mind, guys, this only works in tutorial mode. It won't work in multiplayer. So if you want to play multiplayer after this, you will need to simply you go back to the place you put your item server, the original one, and just put it back in wherever it is, EA Games, Battlefield Heroes, Mods. So just put it right back here and you'll be able to play. So I put it into my Male Mando. 1 second. So I put it into my Male Mando, which is this one obviously, National. So let's hope it works. Which it will. Okay, so moment of truth. There we go. So you have all of this stuff basically. Now I'm gonna go pretty ridiculous. I'll put in Bronto head. I'll put in chuck in this, whatever that is. Chuck in. Remember, guys, this also works for unreleased stuff, so it should be fine with you. So yeah, etc. You can go on as far as you want, but I'll just go up to there. Okay. After you've done that, so remember, this is a Mando, guys. So you still have all these weapons that are gunner stuff. So I'll put in a cheeser and I'll put in a soldier weapon. I'll chuck this in also. Okay, once I've done that, I'll go into home, tutorial. By the way, guys, the reason why it's lunar landing is because I made it so lunar landing is one of the tutorial maps. I will be showing how to make any map a tutorial map in the next video. But for now, the default will be Suicide Skirmish. Play now. Just waiting for the map to load. So obviously we're in tutorial mode because I'm in currents, and I'll just make it and there you go. As you can see, I have all this stuff. I can go there. I have a golden super cheese as well, pretty ridiculous. And I can go to stealth. So that just proves you can do pretty much anything. You can make a Mando, a gunner, whatever you want. And that's pretty much it. So I hope this helps you. Hope you can make more videos about this kind of stuff. And enjoy. Please like, favorite, and subscribe, and because it means a lot to me and means I can continue making these kind of videos. The next video will be how to make any tutorial map into tutorial mode. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, and peace out. See ya.